So to shave off some installation time, instead of taking your part B, your little plastic part B there, and screwing it down the length of part A, just go ahead and screw it onto the tip of part A and make sure you leave enough out that it screws in completely to your base, and then just adjust it as needed. Then after your old toilet seat is removed, all you have to do is insert the 2 screws into your toilet seat holes and then screw on the part C underneath the toilet, and you're done. Now I actually have a toilet bidet attachment to my toilet seat and it worked great. This is the matte black hardware. It looks great on the white toilet that is round, and it does have a nice soft close. Very happy.